TES Enterprise or Tourism Enterprise Zone and Enterprises. So this refers to business park facilities that provide tourism related service. They can be located inside tourism enterprise zone. This enterprise offers services that help tourism enjoy travel, relax, or enterprise activities, such as travel and tour services, tourism transportation like land, seas, air, tour guides, adventure sports, and recreation activities, hotel, resort, inn, motel, pension house, restaurant, shop, museum, theme park, tourism infrastructure and enterprise zone authority. It ensures sustainable culture, economic, and environmental tourism development. So it's implement enforces TEZ regulation and development plans. So may impose penalty for non-compliance. Next is incentive for TEZ operation and registered tourism enterprise. First is fiscal incentive. So there are three fiscal incentive. First is income tax holiday. So income tax holiday, new enterprise is greenfield and brownfield tourism zone get 6 years exemption from income tax. So income tax disincentives allow new enterprise operating in TEZ, especially in greenfield and brownfield tourism zones. So to be exempted from paying income tax for a specific period, like period of exemption, these exemptions is for period for six years from the start of business operation. So like for example, a newly established resort inside the certified TEZ. So they begin operation on January 1, 2026. For the next 6 years until December 31, 2031, the resort will not pay any corporate income tax on its earning. So next is B 5% growth in income tax. So this is instead of national and local taxes, enterprise pay 5% tax on gross income, distribute as one and a half to LGUs and 1 and 3 to the national. So next is capital investment and equipment incentive. So this is enterprise may receive benefits and capital investment and equipment needed to tourism related operation.